Hey guys! Welcome to our installation video. Now let's get started. Step 1. Assemble the base bracket to the touch panel base. Tighten with screws to secure. Step 2. Hold the two sides of the tube. Unfold the seat frame to same level. Step 3. Put the seat cover on the seat frame. Fasten the left, right, and back button to secure. Step 4. Slide the seat frame assembled into the seat cover onto the base support post. Step 5. Canopy installation. Attach the toys on canopy. Step 6. Attach the Mosquito net to the seat frame. Secure the clasps approximately 0.5 inch above the seat frame adjustment button. If you have finished watching this video, I believe you have done an excellent job. Anyway, welcome to leave a comment or contact us by email if there are any problems.